National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 222, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Jefferson, Oklahoma, and the following counties in Texas: Montague and Watts. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.